Hey everybody, it's Norman Wilback, Stingray Chevrolet in beautiful Plant City, Florida, and it is that time once again. The 13th annual Stingray Chevrolet raffle is getting ready to happen. As a matter of fact, right now you can start getting your tickets for this 2022 Corvette 1LT Convert. You know what, as a matter of fact, instead of showing you the sign, let's show you the car. So for just $5, a $5 raffle ticket, which all proceeds, every single penny, go to Unity in the community right here in Plant City, you could own this 2022 Corvette Convertible. You can get your tickets right here at the dealership, or StingrayChevroletRaffle.com, or at the Strawberry Festival, which starts on March 3rd. We will draw the winner for this car on March 13th, the last day of the Strawberry Festival. So make sure you get your $5 raffle ticket for this car today.
Stingray Chevrolet, relax, enjoy the day.